Hello, join us to tour and enjoy a little escapade to Maya Daan Bantayan, Cebu. Maya is known for its rich waters and golden sands, so naturally, we went on a vacay to the infamous Sunflower and Bukana. So what are we waiting for? Let's go.
Pantay mo ang Muhay! Hi, Muhay!
Hi guys! We're going to Boracay.
Ang aligo mig dagat nga daily.
Paranigang farm.
Sige, anong masasabi mo? Kiga, anong masasabi nyo?
Init ga.
Sa utahon ta mo. Sige, init? Yes or no? Anong masasabi nyo, Jenny Rose? Anong masasabi mo, Jenny Rose?
Gutom na day, ayaw day.
Anong masasabi mo, Dayan?
Init. Gutom guys.
Ang tanong.
Ano yung pagday? Ato bikasan.
Bukana and Sunflower is a notable area in Barangay Maya, which is the northernmost barangay in Daan Bantayan, Cebu. This region is renowned for its stunning beaches and vibrant local culture. Located at the tip of Cebu Island, these areas is particularly popular among tourists for its beautiful white sand beaches, floating cottages, and also the scenic view of where the river meets the sea. And it attracts both local and foreign visitors.
Isod na ko ni Biasa kung ano yan kami?
Dapat mo eh.
Ipasa na ako sa pinakagwapa.
Pasa ko sa Maldita Kaayo.
Ipasa! Suntin, ipasa!
Wait sa. Ipasa na. I'm passing this phone to... Anong sige, kanta-kanta.
Oh? Ipasa ha?
I'm passing this phone sa Palamunin.
ano dito tinood guys? Ipasa na ako sa member sa Blackpink.
Jenny? Ipasa na ako sa... I'm passing this phone.
I'm passing this phone pa sila ma.
Inay lang. Sige sa.
Ang buto yung okay po sa iyo mo dahil. Ha? Hindi ko alam. I'm passing this phone sa lalaki na pinahubog ka na ilumon pero grabe day katapuan.
I'm passing this phone to Marky.
Ganda.
Hi guys. 1, 2, 3, go!
Mabasa.